Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share 5 fun and creative craft projects that you can make to use up those planner stickers that we all love but sometimes struggle to find a use for. From a cute mini file folder to a handmade notebook, a laminated bookmark, a washi tape acrylic coaster, and even a Suncatcher, there's something for everyone. So grab your stickers and let's start decorating. I made this notebook from instructions that I found on a website called Brit & Co, and I'll add the link to the blog below. I printed a design on the cover, and I found this design on Canon's website called Creative Park, and I folded some printer paper and sandwiched the printer paper inside of the outer cover. I used embroidery floss to stitch the pages together, and I decorated the cover with stickers. I made sure that I included one sticker that could be used as a label, and I found that they look best when I layered a lot of different stickers. To make these bookmarks, I used self-adhesive laminating pages, and I drew a grid on a piece of paper to help me know where to place my stickers. I cut a piece of vellum paper to size, measuring 2.5 inches wide by 7 3/4 of an inch tall. I placed a number of the finished pieces of vellum on the laminating sheets, and I placed them face side down. One side is the plastic side, and I like to have that at the front of the bookmark, and the other side is the adhesive part. And I peel off the sticker back to seal it, and then once the piece was sealed, I trim the edges quite close to the vellum, and I used a corner round punch to finish the edges. I also used a hole punch to attach a tassel. To make these acrylic washi tape coasters, I cut 2 pieces measuring 4 3/8 of an inch wide and 4 1/8 of an inch tall. Acrylic is really difficult to cut, but as an alternative, you could use cutting mats from the Dollar Tree, but they won't look as clear. So how I cut the acrylic is I score it using an X-Acto knife, and I do it quite a bit on one side, maybe 30 times. But not all the way through, and then I flip the piece of acrylic and do the same on the other side. Then I try and break the piece using my hands, and if it's not breaking, then I continue to score it. I drew another grid on a piece of paper to help me place the stickers evenly, and I placed one in the center and then decorated the rest of the area around it. I used a cloth to make sure that there's no debris or smudges, and then to sandwich the pieces together, I used washi tape and folded it over the edges. To make these mini file folders, I've made an SVG file and I've linked it below. I'm personally going to use my mini file folders to organize my grading cards, and then I'm going to put them in a box. And this pattern uses letter size cardstock, and I covered them with stickers according to the themes of my cards. And you could also use this idea to store scraps or even stickers, anything small. And for this last project, I decided to make a Suncatcher, and I used my Cricut machine and cut 2 pieces of paper. One is flipped vertically, and so it can sandwich together. And I placed a piece of acetate in the middle of these 2 pieces of paper, and I used a glue stick to glue down the paper and the acetate in the center. I used botanical themed stickers because it reminded me of dried flowers, and this ornament looks really pretty on a window or hanging from my ornament hanger. So thanks so much for crafting with me today, and I hope you enjoyed these fun ways to use up your planner stickers. If you try any of these projects, I'd love to hear how they turned out, and let me know in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe for more creative ideas. See you in the next video.